Hi, everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to share Eat Special Beef Gola Kebab Masala, or Karahi recipe. So soft and juicy, delicious kebab Karahi, everyone will love it. Fresh coriander leaf 1/2 cup. Green chili 10/12 pieces. Fried onion 1 cup. Grind it. Minced beef 1 kilogram. My chopper is small, I am doing small portion at a time. Done. Transfer to the bowl. Minced beef. Ginger paste 2 tablespoons. Garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Chili powder 1.5 tablespoons. Cumin powder 1 tablespoon. Coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Garam masala 1 tablespoon. Chili flakes 1 teaspoon. Baking soda 1 teaspoon. Meat tenderizer 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Lemon juice 2 tablespoons. Grind it. Done. Transfer to the bowl. White bread 1 slice. Grind well. Yogurt 1/2 cup. Minced beef. All done. Transfer to the bowl. Mix together. Done. Refrigerator overnight. Next day, clarified butter 2 tablespoons. Mix. Smoke 2 minutes. Done. Mix again. Time to make gola kebab. Take a small portion of the meat mixture. Follow the steps. Done. Can be frozen up to month. Oil 2 tablespoons. Place the kebab one by one. Fry 8 to 10 minutes on medium-low heat. Flip. Oil 1/3 cup. Onion 1/2 cup. Saute few seconds. Garlic paste 2 teaspoons. Ginger paste 1 teaspoon. Stir and fry. Chopped tomato 1 cup. Saute 1 minute. Salt to taste. Turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon. Chili powder 1 tablespoon. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Garam masala 1 teaspoon. Black pepper 1/2 teaspoon. Stir and mix. Cook 5 minutes. Stir. Add fried Gola kebab. Stir and mix. Water 1 cup. Cover and cook 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add yogurt 1/4 cup. Mix. Sliced ginger, green chili, fresh coriander leaf. Stir and mix. Clarified butter 2 tablespoons. Cover and cook 5 minutes on low heat. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.